Do you trust your ears? Many people think they can tell the differences between the good and bad headphones, but it might just be because of the preconceived notions. Today, we are doing a blind listening test. I've selected 5 pair of earbuds, a random made in China, fake earpods, and $30 one, and $100 pair, and $150 pair, and $200 pair. Let's see if you can hear the differences. I will reveal the correct answer at the end of this video. Let's find out whether you have the golden ear.
Face to face, I'm thinking about the days we used to be, but I can't make a scene.